Hello, my name's Chris. I'm the technician working on your car today. Just a quick video to show the visual health inspection that's been carried out. Starting with the passenger side front tyre, 3mm remaining. Nice even tread wear across the tyre until you get to both edges. It was the same for all of the tyres. The tyre pressures were a little low. That would cause wear on both edges of the tyres. Like I say, that has been rectified. The discs overall in good condition with 8mm remaining on the front pads. 8mm, same thickness as this gauge, gives you roughly 5mm remaining wear before you get down to the recommended minimum of 3mm. All of the steering and suspension components are in good condition. Everything's nice and tight with no play. The driver's side front again has 3mm remaining across the tyre. Does have signs of that wear on both edges, which is now rectified with the tyre pressures being inflated. The disc again in good condition with 8mm remaining on the pads. No leaks from the underside, and the exhaust all in good condition with no leaks or blows, and all the hangers are nice and tight and in good condition. The passenger side rear tyre is on 4, 3.9 and 3.5mm, difference in tread wear around 1mm, no punctures or damage. The disc on the rear in good condition with 6mm remaining on the rear pads, 6mm, same thickness as this gauge, gives you roughly 3mm remaining wear before you get down to that recommended minimum of 3mm. All of the rear suspension again in good condition, everything's nice and tight with no play. Driver's side rear is on 3, 3 and 3mm, nice even tread wear with no punctures or damage. The disc is in good condition, 6mm remaining on the pads. Once again, my name's Chris. Thank you for choosing Rybrook. A service advisor will call you shortly.